Let's sing the top, one of us sings the bottom.
Right,
at the same time.
Joy to the world.
Wait, no.
That goes.
Joy to the world.
Okay, try it again.
Joy to the world.
No!
What? Okay.
Joy
How do you do that?
To the world.
Well, how do you do the bottom part?
Well, just sing the first part. Just sing the first part.
Okay.
And then
Just everyone
we'll
sing the
do
first
bottom
time.
part. Yeah, we'll do the first
Okay.
time. We'll do
First
the
part.
Okay, I get it.
First second.
Okay.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. What?
Let
us receive her King. Let every heart prepare.
No!
What? No. Okay.
And room
No.
and
Shut up.
Wait.
Shut up. God.
Let every heart prepare.
No, you're supposed to say, let every heart prepare.
And heaven and nature sing.
That's stupid.
That's
stupid. Who wrote that?
What?
And
heaven and nature sing.
Okay, let's sing the
This is
first
dumb
verse
as
again.
hell.
Let's sing the...
I don't want to sing the
The
first
Lord
part.
is come? Seriously?
The Lord has come. Let's sing the Lord has
Okay,
come
we
to be
can sing that if
grammatically
you want.
correct.
God,
Okay.
it's just the grammar is, oh my
Wait,
God. Okay.
Really, are you getting this worked
Yes,
out?
I am.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
We can change it.
Okay, we will.
Okay. Alright, we'll sing the first verse one more time.
Okay, guys.
Let's work
Okay.
that one up. Okay.
Yeah, here it is.
Joy,
Okay.
Joy
to the world,
the Lord is
fucking
come.
A down.
Sam! Why don't you just sing the top part? You and Nick sing the top part.
What? You mean the top words or the top?
No,
the
the top song.
The top song, the top word.
I thought we were going through the second time.
We are, we're going through the second
Wait,
time.
why?
Well, then,
The
then
first
should
time
we be?
No, the same thing as the first time.
Aren't I doing it right?
No.
Do you want to sing the bottom part?
I don't know how to sing the bottom part.
God
Honestly,
damn.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so the bottom part goes, Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King.
No.
Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing.
Never mind, that's boring. Someone else
Yeah,
sing
that's
it.
pretty nice. I mean, I just
Okay, I'll sing the bottom part. You sing the
Okay,
top
got
part,
it.
okay?
Okay.
Yes.
You ready?
Okay,
great.
Joy
to the world,
the Lord is come.
Let
earth
receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room.
Fucking A.
Heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven